Hello everybody, welcome back to Barrel's Garage. Here we go. We got her all hooked up. This cable right here, as I said in part one of this video, this one runs the fast idle, and the fast idle is only controlled off the first carburetor. Here you can see we took the choke butterfly off of this one, off of the number one carburetor. So all this one is doing is fast idle. And I showed you that on part one of this. Here's the fast idle cam. But because that cam is tied in with the choke, I got to choke this right at the very first fire up. Well, on the tunnel ram, I happen to have two carburetors, so I'm double duty in it. This one still has the choke. Yes, that does cut down the CFM on the rear carburetor just a little bit, but it's nominal. It was easy to adjust out of it. In fact, it was so close that it's almost non-existent. Anyway, this choke cable here, and I'll show you inside the truck here where they're at. This operates the choke. It's only for the first fire, and it only happens that quick. As soon as she fires, you push that choke back in and open this choke up. But then you pull the fast idle on this one, and it'll hold it about 1,000, 1,100 RPM, right around in there. That way, it gives the plenum long enough to warm up and get to being happy instead of just dropping raw fuel down inside of it on a cold start. Now, I'll show you on the inside here. Got to come back and up and around. There's the air cleaners. I pulled them off so you could see all that. Now on these old trucks, they're actually set up for something like that. Oh, it's awful dark in here. This is my fast idle cable adjustment. Now on these trucks, this is a 51 Chevy cab. Actually, right here, there's a throttle. So you can actually pull that and set your high idle with these old trucks. It was mostly for running a PTO and all that. Power takeoff drive for doing other things. But these old trucks had a throttle cable stop right here, or lock, I should say. Anyway, I'm utilizing that for the fast idle. The one down here, just like on the stock 51 Series 1 Series trucks, this is now my choke. Now you can kind of see it up here. The reason I took the valve covers off. To set the choke, I give it full throttle one time, pull the choke. You see her close right there? Then we'll set the fast idle, and we set her right about there. Let's see what she's going to do. And just like that, she'll sit here and idle up. Now when she comes up on temperature, all I got to do, see she's idling about 1,000 RPM there. When she comes up on, when she starts to smooth out, which I can see right here, she's not warmed up yet. She's not doing it too quick there. But I'll let it sit there on fast idle so I don't have to hold my foot on the floor here. I think she's going to work. We're going to try this again in the winter time. But that concludes part one of this little experiment on how to make your tunnel ram cold weather and high altitude friendly. And how to get out here and enjoy these hot rods a little more and get you out there and keeping the metal hot. We'll catch you on the next one.